Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our Easy English Flow. My name is Luna.
And I'm Ryan. We're very happy you are here today.
Today's episode is very special. If you listen carefully and repeat with us, you will learn many daily English sentences.
Yes, these are simple sentences. Native speakers use them every day. If you practice them, your English will become more natural.
And don't worry if your English is not perfect. This is a safe place to learn.
Exactly. Small steps every day create big progress.
Today, we will practice 90 daily English sentences for instant fluency.
That sounds like a lot, but don't worry. We will practice them slowly and with real-life examples.
Imagine you are speaking with a friend, a coworker, or a stranger. These sentences will help you.
Ready?
Let's begin.
Sentence number 1. Good morning.
Good morning.
People say this when they meet in the morning.
Example. Good morning, Ryan. How are you today?
Sentence number 2. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We say this after 12 o'clock.
Sentence number 3. Good evening.
Good evening.
Sentence number 4. How are you?
How are you?
This is a very common greeting.
Sentence number 5. I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Sentence number 6. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Imagine you meet someone new at work.
Hello, my name is Luna. Nice to meet you.
Sentence number 7. What is your name?
What is your name?
Sentence number 8. My name is Ryan.
My name is Luna.
Sentence number 9. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Sentence number 10. I'm from Canada.
I'm from Korea.
Sentence number 11. How old are you?
How old are you?
Sentence number 12. I am 25 years old.
Sentence number 13. What do you do?
This means your job.
Example. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. Sentence number 14.
I work in an office.
Sentence number 15. I work from home.
Sentence number 16. What time is it?
What time is it?
Sentence number 17. It's 3 o'clock.
Sentence number 18. I'm a little busy.
I'm a little busy.
Sentence number 19. Give me a moment.
Give me a moment.
Sentence number 20. No problem.
No problem.
Now let's continue.
Sentence number 21. Excuse me.
This is very important.
You use it to get attention politely.
Sentence 22. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Sentence 23. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Sentence 24. You're welcome.
Sentence number 25. That's okay.
Sentence 26. I understand.
I understand.
Sentence 27. I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Sentence 28. Could you repeat that?
Could you repeat that?
Sentence 29. Could you speak more slowly?
This is very useful for learners.
Sentence 30. What does this mean?
What does this mean?
Sentence 31. How do you say this in English?
Sentence 32. Let me think. Sentence 33. I agree with you.
Sentence 34. I don't agree.
Sentence 35. That sounds great.
Sentence 36. That's interesting.
Sentence 37. I'm not sure.
Sentence 38. Maybe later.
Sentence 39. Not today.
Sentence 40. See you later.
See you later.
Great job, everyone.
Now let's continue with more sentences that people use in daily life.
Sentence 41. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Sentence 42. I'm working.
Sentence 43. I'm studying English.
That's perfect for our listeners.
Sentence 44. I'm watching a movie.
Sentence 45. I'm cooking dinner.
Sentence 46. I'm going to the store.
Sentence 47. Do you want to join me?
Sentence 48. Sure, why not?
Sentence 49. I would love to.
Sentence 50. Maybe next time.
Sentence 51. What do you think?
Sentence 52. That's a good idea.
Sentence 53. That's not a good idea.
Sentence 54. Let's try it.
Sentence 55. Let's do it.
Sentence 56. Wait a minute.
Sentence 57. I'll call you later.
Sentence 58. Send me a message.
Sentence 59. Check your email.
Sentence 60. I'll be there soon.
Very good.
Now we will explain some important words.
The first word is busy.
Busy means you have many things to do.
Example, I'm busy today.
Another word is repeat.
Repeat means say something again.
Example, could you repeat that?
Another word is join.
Join means come with someone.
Example, do you want to join me?
Another word is agree.
Agree means you have the same opinion.
Example, I agree with you.
Now let's continue with more sentences.
Sentence 61. Where are you going?
Sentence 62. I'm going home.
Sentence 63. I'm going to work.
Sentence 64. I'm going to the gym.
Sentence 65. I'm tired.
Sentence 66. I need a break.
Sentence 67. I feel happy today.
Sentence 68. I feel a little sad.
Sentence 69. Everything is fine.
Sentence 70. Don't worry.
Sentence 71. You can do it.
Sentence 72. Keep trying.
Sentence 73. Never give up.
Sentence 74. Practice every day.
Sentence 75. Your English is improving.
Sentence 76. I believe in you.
Sentence 77. You are doing great.
Sentence 78. Let's practice again.
Sentence 80. Are you ready?
Sentence 80. Let's start.
Sentence 81. Tell me more.
Sentence 82. That makes sense.
Sentence 83. I see what you mean.
Sentence 84. That's true.
Sentence 85. It depends.
Sentence 86. What happened?
Sentence 87. I'll explain.
Sentence 88. That's amazing.
Sentence 90. I'm proud of you.
Sentence 90. See you next time.
Wonderful job, everyone.
Now let's practice with questions.
Ryan, where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from Seoul.
Ryan, what are you doing today?
I'm studying English and recording this podcast.
That's great.
Ryan, do you feel tired today?
A little, but I'm happy.
Why are you happy?
Because our listeners are learning English with us.
That makes me happy too.
Now let's practice speaking together.
Repeat after us.
I'm learning English every day.
I'm learning English every day.
My English is getting better.
My English is getting better.
I am confident.
I am confident.
I can speak English.
I can speak English.
I am not afraid to make mistakes.
I am not afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes help me learn.
Mistakes help me learn.
I will practice every day.
I will practice every day.
English is becoming easier for me.
English is becoming easier for me.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
Excellent work.
Remember something important.
Fluency does not come from memorizing grammar only.
Fluency comes from practice.
Speak every day.
Listen every day.
Repeat every day.
Even 10 minutes a day can change your English.
Confidence grows step by step.
And you are already improving.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We are proud of you.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
And remember,
Your English journey is just beginning.
see you in the next episode.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.